Good morning to all of you. In the last video, I explained you about the different terminologies like project, program, and portfolio. In this video, I will explain you about the product life cycle, project life cycle, project phases, and the project management life cycle. So this is one of the very confusing topic in the project management studies, and I would like to explain you about the difference between each one of these. First, let us start with what is a product life cycle. So a product life cycle defines the end-to-end activities of a product throughout its life cycle. So a product life cycle may have several projects and operations. For example, you consider that one of the mobile manufacturing company is wanting to release a new model of a mobile. So it has to start from the conception stage, then it has to do a market research, then it has to design the new model, then it has to develop it, and then it has to produce it, and then over a period of time it will have to make some improvements, and then finally the product will be withdrawn from the market. So all these activities will end-to-end activities, we call that as a product life cycle. So in this product life cycle of the mobile phone, the market research, design, development, improvement, etc. can be taken up as a project, whereas the production can be taken as an operations. So a product life cycle defines the end-to-end life of a product comprising of many project life cycles and operations. Then we talk about the project life cycle. So it is an end-to-end collection of project phases, and it is industry specific. So a project phase is a collection of logically related project activities resulting in one or more deliverables. Say for example, we take a software development project. So in this, the different phases can be the collection of requirements, high-level design, low-level design, coding, code review, QA, and UAT. These are all the possible phases. So the end-to-end activities, right from the collection of requirements till the final UAT, we call that as a project life cycle. And the individual phases like collection of requirements, high-level design, etc., we call that as a project phases. So normally, a large project is divided into phases in order to have a control over the project. And once within the project phases, we have the project management life cycle, which is having the project process groups like initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and control, and the closing. So to explain the interrelationship between these four terminologies, I have given you the details here. So it starts with the highest in the hierarchical structure, that is the product life cycle. So this is the end-to-end life cycle of a product from conception to obsolescence, and it consists of multiple project life cycles and operations. So within the product life cycle, we have project life cycle, and then this defines the end-to-end life cycle of a project consisting of the project phases. So completion of a phase adds incremental value to the product, and hence project life cycle is industry specific. So project phases is a collection of logically related project activities resulting in one or more deliverables. It is industry specific. So the project life cycle and project phases are related to the deliverables. So they are industry specific. Whereas the project management life cycle is about how we are managing the project, and hence it is common to all industries. And the project management life cycle defines the end-to-end life cycle of project management activities within a project phase. So I think this hopes it clears your doubts regarding this. Thank you.